Hello and welcome to today's episode of Reporting Accounts. Today I'm talking about John Lewis, the well-known UK retailer. They're in the news today because they're announcing a closure of a further 8 stores. This is really a result of the pandemic lockdowns, and really the business has reported a large loss. They've reported a loss of 635 million, an interim loss to September last year, and for the first time since 1953, they're scrapping the payment of the bonuses to the staff. So that's 80,000 staff who are not getting the bonus. It's a mutual, so unlike other retailers, it's not owned by a company or floated on the stock market. It's owned by its employees in a cooperative worker arrangement. There is some good news been announced, and then what the positive aspect is that the organisation expects to get up to 70% of its sales through the internet by 2025. I think this is yet another instance of high street retailers retrenching from town centres and having to move online, basically because that's the way the world is now going. But the pressure of the pandemic has forced their hand. It is a sad situation, though, because John Lewis stores are often the linchpin of town centres and the anchor store in many ways. So a difficult story, but the way things are, I'm afraid. To learn more about reporting accounts and how you can find information and insights into more than 4.8 million companies, please visit our website, which you can find at www.reportingaccounts.com. Thank you.